Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channels, entrepreneurs and business owners. Today, we're diving into an exciting world of scripts, a thriving online marketplace that empowers individuals like you to create your very own digital front. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your marketplace on OffScript, showcasing your products or services, and reaching a wide audience of potential customers. So let's get started and unlock the potential of your business. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by visiting OffScript website. Of course, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case, you go and open whatever browser you have or you want in your PC. So whatever preferred browser you have, go open it and go to this URL section and simply type offscript.io and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to their home screen or main screen. If you have an account, make sure to click on login and you'll be logged in into your account, of course, by entering your details. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on get started for free. If you want to know more about this website, you can scroll down and know more about it if you want. So, of course, you can even join the affiliates program if you want. So, if you have an account, if you don't have an account, click on get started or log in if you have an account. For me, I'm just going to log in into my account. And as you can see, they will take me directly to my store because I already set up my store and everything. So, of course, as you can see here, this is going to be the shop or my marketplace. For you, of course, once you created your account, they will actually ask you some basic questions to create your account. It's going to be pretty simple to do. So, don't worry about this. Once you are here, you can simply go to this list panel and click on design if you want to add some designs by your own. And of course, you can even go to this discover brands as an example to add products to your store. Of course, adding products to your store, and if someone buy these products from your store, you will get commissions. As you can see here, you will have a lot of brands. As an example, this brand will give you 15% of commission. This brand will give you 20, this one 20, 25, 20, 18, 4, 25, 35. As you can see, this is pretty good. 30, 25, 25. Anyway, the range of this commission, I guess, is going to be from 2% to 50%. So if you found a 50% store, that's going to be pretty good for you because if you like sell a $10 product, you'll get $5, which is pretty insane. So whatever, once you choose the store that you want, as an example, just choose with the highest commission that we see. This is Apothecary maybe 87. Make sure to click on it. As you can see, Apothecary 87 is an extraordinary grooming brand formulating process and design driven products that stands out. Of course, this has been based in the United Kingdom. So once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find here all the products that comes with this brand. Simply just go to the product that you want to add to your shop and click on add products. Click on add products will directly add it to your shop. And of course, as you can see, if someone buy this products, you will get 38 USD per sale. So if just someone buy this, you will get this amount of dollars. If two people buy it, you will get a lot and etc. Now you can go back and go to your store or marketplace as an example. As you can see my shop here, and you will find the products will successfully added to your store. If someone buy them, as you can see, you will get a lot of commission, the commission that you found on the store before you enter it. And so, of course, once you successfully registered and created your store and add the product into it, of course, you can even add more products because that's the exciting part about this OffScript website. Adding is adding your products or services to your marketplace on OffScript because you use the user-friendly interface to create compiling listings for each item, include high-quality products images, detailed descriptions, pricing, or any other relevant information that will help customers make informed purchasing decisions. And of course, make sure to optimize your listing for visibility. To maximize your marketplace visibility and attract more customers, it's important to optimize your listings. Consider using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, of course, as well, because it's very useful to improve search engines ranking. Additionally, encourage customers to leave reviews and rating to build trust and credibility for your brand. So if other people want to buy it, they will see good reviews because you will normally have good products normally, not always. And of course, then you'll have to manage your orders and engage with customers. So simply you can see here from here your orders. So make sure to manage them well. Of course, you can even export an CSV if you are new and you have other orders from other stores and etc. And of course, here you'll find your account. You'll be able to see your earnings. You can even enter your bank information to get paid from there and a lot of other stuff. So let's just go back to our store. And of course, you will have to manage your orders, as we said, and engage with customers. So as your marketplace starts gaining traction, it's crucial to effectively manage orders and engage with customers. Stay on top of orders notifications promptly, respond to customers' inquiries, and provide exceptional customer service. Personalize the buying experience to foster a loyalty and positive word of mouth. Of course, if your store is getting bigger and bigger and you are trusted now and a lot of people buying from you, make sure to hire some people to manage the orders for you. So it will not be a lot of work for you, because if it's a lot, you cannot do it alone. Maybe you can, but it will be so exhausting for you. So make sure to hire some people. There is a lot that would like to get this job, and it will not require a lot of time and strength or something like that, because they will just have to uh, uh, be notified to notification. Once they are notified, you'll have to manage the orders and you'll be good to go. And of course, as we said, make sure to add as many products as you want. You can even add some collections if you want. You can add some collections, as you can see from here, and make sure to add this. You can do that by your own, as we said. But the funny part, or the fun part, or the best part about this app is you can simply add products from other brands to your store and sell without thinking about this. So make sure to go and check for interesting products that people can love and simply add them. Make sure to have to this products have a good commission, and it would be better if they ship globally and it's based on a country like your own country or a country that's close to you. It's going to be pretty good to have that as well, and you will be good to go. Of course, after your shop, people entering your shop, buying your products, and you will get commission from that. There is nothing better than that. Make sure to get an interesting pictures from here, not just me. I was just testing, as you can see, and even an interesting shop. As you can see, for me, my shop is tested shop. You can preview your shop from here, as you can see. You can click on preview and you will see the shop from here. So let's just load correctly, and as you can see, you'll find all products here if someone like try to buy it, and you'll be good to go. So if you reach this place, congratulations, you successfully created your marketplace on OffScript in 2023, opening a world of opportunities for your business by signing up to your accounts and setting up your profile, adding your products or services, optimizing listing and engaging with customers. You are well on your way to a building driven online business. To embrace the power of OffScript, connect with a vast audience and unlock the potential of your brand. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful business tips and strategies. Best luck of your business, and best luck with your marketplace on OffScript. And I will see you in the next one.